Hey everyone, it's MK. Welcome to MK Quilts. I'm MK, owner of MK Quilts. I'm a full service quilt shop on the west coast of Florida here in Palm Harbor. So I want to give a shout out and a thank you to the folks from Ticket To Quilt and Renee from My Best Quilt Company for inviting us to this fun sew along. So a little bit of backstory. We met Renee at the H&H trade show up in Chicago in 2025. I'm dropping a picture. Here we are with Renee, and that's Ellen, my shop manager and chief creative officer here at MK Quilts. Now, last year we also did another one of Renee's patterns. We did her Woven Friendships pattern, and we did that as part of a class that I offered on my training platform called MK Quilts University. I'm dropping a picture here of the 3 long armors that work with me here at MK Quilts and how we did our quilts. You'll see that Ellen and I did more of the quilt colorway that Renee had in the pattern. I quilted mine with Pro Stitcher on one of my Handi quilter machines. Ellen quilted hers all free motion and ruler on her Handi quilter Amara, and Paco, who is a contracted employee with me, did her quilt, of course, in those beautiful patriotic colors, and she did hers starting by designing everything in Pro Stitcher Designer. Those are her original quilting patterns, and then she quilted hers on her Handi quilter machine. So I am about ready to load our shop sample for the Meet Me in Philadelphia. So we decided to just do 4 blocks so that we could get a small version of our shop sample done. And here you go. Here is my shop sample, just 4 squares. I'm going to go ahead and load it with the stars in the upper left and kind of the raise area in the lower right. And also what I'm holding up for you, or dropping a picture of right now, is the layout that I did for this quilt. I did that layout away from my machine. I used my laptop, Pro Stitcher running in simulation mode, and a little bit of work in Pro Stitcher Designer. So that's how we roll here at MK Quilts. We are national retailers for Handi Quilter, and I am a specialist in Pro Stitcher. So if you're hearing that and your ears are perking up, of course I'm dropping all of the links to my training platform. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get loaded. I've got our array of fabrics here. If you want a kit in these beautiful purples and blues with a very high contrast white, go ahead and click through the link to get our kit. Includes your pattern, and I am going to use this beautiful purple from Figo Fabrics. It's called Space Dye in Violet as my backing. I'm going to use a lighter thread color so it's really going to show up well on here, and of course I will drop just some footage as I get going after I load this baby on my beautiful Handi Quilter Infinity 28. All right, stay tuned, you guys. We're so excited to be doing the sew along. Come along and sew with us. Get yourself a kit. And if you want one of these machines, give us a call. Or if you would love us to quilt your finished product, also give us a call. All of the contact information is here. I'm going to get loaded and get to quilting. It's MK from the Long Arm Studio to you. Happy quilting, stay tuned, and happy sewing. So there you have it, folks. Just getting started here on our sample from MK Quilts. It's turning out great. There's my roadmap, as I explained. Just helps me remember exactly how I planned it, and I think it's going to be spectacular. Keep watch here over and in MK Quilts on my business page. I've got a group as well I can share with you, and we'll get some final pictures, and we'll see you in July for this sew along. It's MK from MK Quilts. Happy quilting, everybody. Bye-bye.